I'm here in Gauteng with Crown Technologies. They are our longest standing Fox Gold installer, and they've brought me here today to level products. I have never really been exposed to the problems that I've seen here today, and I guess they're more typical of South Africa here in Gauteng, the way in Cape Town. So the client here runs a production facility producing products for a food grade type environment. And their building was ravaged by crime. They had multiple break-ins during a 6-month period each time there was load shedding. And they approached Crown Technologies to solve their problems. But what Crown did is they actually did a solar trifecta. They not only solved the client's problems with 2 beautiful Fox 30kw inverters and 70 kilowatts of PV, they also solved the problem of production continuity so that this factory never goes down again. But most importantly, the client here now has 100% peace of mind. He knows that his production line will never go down. He knows that his alarm system will always be fully powered and that his business is safe. And most of all, on top of that, he knows that he doesn't need to spend much money on power. There's been a significant reduction on his capital spend on power, making him much more competitive in the marketplace. So big thank you to Crown Technology. You guys have been a stunning partner to work with. Your guys' word is gold. You've never let a customer down, to my knowledge. From our side, it's the greatest honor of my life to be working with you. So big thank you for your support, and let's go Fox!